Hello and welcome to another video of Tech and Development WordPress Complete Course for Beginners series. So in this video I will go through with the WordPress dashboard, and in coming videos I will let you know about each of these options so you will understand and how you can use post, media, pages, comments and all of them. So starting with the home, in home section you can see there's a at a glance you can see everything. You can make your first blog by clicking here, add about page, view your site, manage widgets and menus. Below there are site health status as well, activities you have performed. If you want to make a quick draft you can make your title here and save draft as well. You can see the WordPress events and news, and you can even customize them. For example, go there and you can change their appearance. So this is the benefit you can get. If you want screen options, you can enable or disable anything. For example, you don't want to see these WordPress events and news, so simply disable this from here and it will disable. And if you want to enable, simply click here and it will again appear. So this is all in home section. In updates you will find all plugins or themes that needs to update. Currently I have updated plugins and themes as well. So this is all for this video. If you like, then like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.